has changed. The challenges are more complex, the stakes are higher than ever. In this new industrial era, the most critical component isn't just technology, it's a shared understanding of reality. It's always a challenge communicating your complex vision in simpler two-dimensional formats and tools, be it training, marketing, R&D, etc. This creates a reality gap, leading to costly errors, increased time, and slow decision-making processes. This is where GRAHAs VR helps bridge the gap with our extended reality solutions, encompassing VR, AR, and MR. We custom develop XR solutions in use cases like training, onboarding, marketing, maintenance, R&D, etc. for industries and enterprises. We help transform your conventional practices to 3D-based XR solutions. We have solutions deployed across 11 different industrial verticals like industrial, engineering, shipping, pharma, IoT, etc., across 4 different countries, including India, USA, Australia, and Nepal. Our proprietary STEP framework, a proven methodology, is our guiding principle that builds immersive experiences. It's a human-centric approach where story drives engagement, emotion anchors memory, and place ensures skills are instantly transferable. We've been recognized both in India and globally by leading names in the industry like Google for Entrepreneurs, Innovation Leaders Summit, Japan, and were awarded the Best XR Startup in Education and Skilling in the XTIC Summit, IIT Madras by Dr. A.R. Rahman. And one last thing, we're working on an industry-defining product. More on it soon. In an artificially overpowering world, augmenting your workforce with the best suite of tools will be the best empowerment. Let us co-create the future with AI using multiple realities. Check out grahasvr.com to learn more. Follow our social media handles to stay updated further.